Hi, today we are going to discuss about perform string shifts. So you are given a string S containing lowercase English letters and a matrix shift where direction can be 0. 0 means left shift, 1 means right shift, amount is the amount by which string S is to be shifted. A left shift by 1 means remove the first character of S and append it to the end. Similarly, a right shift by 1 means remove the left character of S and add it to the beginning. Return the final string after all operations. Okay. So here the input is ABC. So 0 1. So if we shift ABC by left shift, 0 means left shift, 1 means the amount, how many shifts we need to do. So we need to remove one character and we need to append to the end of the string. So we will get BCA. So BCA. And we have one right shift. 1 means right shift, 2 means number of shifts. So total we need to shift 2 right shifts. So we need to take A and append to BC, then it becomes ABC. Again we'll take C and then append to AB, then it will become CAB. So this is the final thing. So one more example, A B C D E F G. So if you 1 means right shift, 1 means number of shifts, so one right shift means A is appended to the end of the string, so the output will be right shift. So G will be appended to the front of the list, sorry, G A B C D E F. So 1 comma 1 means FG. So in this way we can do the left and right shift operations. So one thing we can observe that if we count total number of left shifts and total number of right shifts, and if left shift is greater and right shift is greater, we can subtract according to that. And if we do the number of final shifts, whether it is left shift or right shift, then we'll get the final error. And one more thing is, if we don't have any left shift and right shifts, both are equal, then we need to return the original string. Yes. Yeah. And there is one more scenario. For example, if the left shift is greater than the length of the array, we need to do the mod, because we are sending based on the, for example, if we are sending the substring like concatenating like length of the string, based on the length of the string we will concatenate the final string. So it should not be out of behind the length of the array. So to minimize that thing, we will do the modulus operation. Let's get started. Yeah. So we have I'm taking the length of the string as L, one left shift pointer, right shifts. So alien of, they're given a string with the name yes. So I'm going one by one. It's a list of lists. So we'll get from if we go to iterate one by one, then the first column we have the direction, in the second column we have the amount. If direction is 0, then we will increment the left shift. Else we will increment the right shift. And so in order to minimize the overflow, and we'll do the divide by the length. So after that, if left shift is greater than the right shift, left shift is equal to less minus rs, and we return the so take it for example this scenario where the number of shifts after calculating will be like 1 and 3. So 1 1 1 1, total 2 right shifts and 2 left shifts. So all these are get cancelled. So we total have the 3 right shifts. So it does mean like Z, F, E will be appended to the front of the string. Then we have the EFG appended to ABCD. Then we'll get the EFG ABCD. So in this case, like if we go like from the starting of the string to the minus RS in the means right shift, 3 right shifts. So if it is till -3, okay. So in the same way, if we need to append the 2 strings, so we have one more scenario. I already mentioned, if ls equal to rs, we just return the original string. Perfect.